Hello, this is the Crypto Angel with your tricks and tips from the internet. Welcome back, or hello to the newcomers. In this video, I'd love to share our winning strategy and our advancement in the UPLAND property trading game. As we have been on fire, we've only been on here for a few days. We've already sold one house. We've bought 5, so we've sold 1. We've actually got 4 right now. And we hit a whole load of bonuses. Here you go, there's another bonus, a UPX bonus of 200 for coming back. That's a returning bonus. We all have access to that. That is actually one of the simplest ways of winning UPX, is returning bonus. There is also the treasure hunt where you'll need to find sends. And in all the YouTube tutorial videos that we've seen with people telling us that we can find free sends and then you still end up paying 5 UPX, well, the Crypto Angel has actually found a way of really getting them for free. So if stay locked on, we will share that information with you. Now, the first bonuses we are going to unblock is the collection bonus. So go into the collection section and we'll come here to edit collection, and you'll see that I've collected 1.1 and that is active, and you can edit that collection. Let's go to the next space here. Own 3 properties in West Bakersfield. We can't actually do this one because we do not have 3 properties and they are not in West Bakersfield. Let's move over to the first mission and see what we have to do to collect the first one, which is a 1.2, and the reward is 350 UPX. And it says I need to tap to fill, and we will be needing 3 properties in Bakersfield to actually complete this mission. We only have 2, so we'll be buying some houses to unblock all these missions, which will permit us to buy even more houses. Let's do this together. On the way, would you believe it, we actually found one of these. It's a pintada. It's like a treasure, and you have to come in, find this little unicorn. It says get ready, 1, 2, 3. You need to tap your screen as much as you can, and every time you tap, you are winning UPX. This is absolutely crazy. I didn't actually know what was going on. I saw it said tap. We just went for it. Tap, 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 and went crazy on the screen, hoping we could get as much as we could. And we near enough raked in about 100 UPX, which is not too bad for a free little trip round. And obviously, because we are newbies to the algorithm, it did actually take us to a tutorial that told us all about the treasures and how to look for them. And this is where we learn about the sends. But we know that there's an actual way of actually getting them totally for free without visiting people, without paying their 5 UPX. So we're definitely going to be keeping that in mind. And this is a great way of earning UPX, but knowing that you need to have your own houses spread around a bit so you can actually go and travel around the town for free without visiting other people, or use my method and get it totally for free. Just after that present, obviously you're going to ask me, are you enjoying the game? Obviously I'm going to give them a 5 stars. I'm going to submit that, and I'm going to write a little message on Google with my name on there. So people might come and visit me because of my name on there, and also my YouTube saying that I am a YouTuber, which can only put things in your favor. And I must admit, I am actually enjoying the game, and I do think it does deserve 5 stars. And we actually write in the comment section that we rating it a 9 out of 10, which I think is quite a reasonable rating. So back to collections. One of the collections was to have 3 houses on the same street. So let's go into my street. We have 2 houses next to each other. They're both FSAs, which are the cheaper ones. And as you can see, we have a third one that's available next door to us. So if we actually buy 3 houses together, we will unblock a bonus, and we'll also get extra income on our spaces. So the mission we're trying to unblock is this one. 3 properties, own 3 properties in Bakersfield. But also, you'll get the second bonus, which will be King of the Street, because 3 properties in the same street is a whole nother bonus. So with buying just only 1 house, we unblock a 350 UPX bonus and a 950 UPX bonus, and not talking about the hourly 1.3 extra we're going to get on top of that. See that 1.3 and a 950 reward for owning 3 properties on the same street. This is amazing, guys. Okay, let's go and purchase the third house. This is the third house on the street, so it's 4,708. We'll click on the buy button and we will click OK, purchasing. I'm not a robot. Check the captcha as usual. Click off the palm trees. 1, 2, 3, and I think that's it. 4 maybe. Okay, that will verify that. bet you we got that wrong. Oh, it'll give us another one anyway. So traffic lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and check it, I'm not a robot, and we're in. With that is going to be minted on the blockchain, and it is going to tell us that we are a new owner of a new house, and that is the third house on that street. So we should be able to go ahead and unblock a whole load of bonuses now. Straight onto the collections page, and we will see what we can do here. We will need to edit the collection and unedit the collection that we're already in. I'll explain. So we'll start on by clicking on edit, and as you can see, that is still on the blockchain getting transferred. So we'll not be able to make this transaction yet until our house has been valid. Looks like we're ready to go. We'll come over to the first mission, come back to edit collection, and we're ready to go. So we'll tap and fill each space, 1, 2, and 3. This is the first mission for 350 UPX for having 3 houses in the same village. So there you go. Great, that's done. With the same 3 houses, we'll undo them from this level and go and use them for the next mission. Take the properties out, go back to King of the Street, which is the last collection, put them over 1, 2, 3, and there you go, another 950 UPX. This is amazing, guys. Loads of free UPX. So figuring out where to buy your houses is very important. So we most probably won't sell these. This has a 1.3 return on it. And in this part of the video, this is where we get really lucky, guys. We actually decide to go and buy a house to flip. So not the same kind of houses we have already. We have 3 in the same street, out in the middle of, in the suburbs, out in the middle of nowhere. What we want to do is go near the train station and try and find a hot deal. A hot deal that we can buy and sell and make profit without moving a finger. But would you believe it, guys? Listen to this. We actually bought a house next to the train station, kept it for 10 minutes and sold it for like a 30% profit. And just before I show you that, I'm going to show you how to pick up the sends for free. What are sends? They're the little arrows that you'll see on the map. They look a little bit like this. You can either move to a house and pay 5 UPX, or you can follow your little man around, which is your little icon. If you follow him around, if you come across your icon walks in front of one of these arrows, well, you can actually click that arrow for free without visiting someone's house. So if you actually follow your icon around, as I said, you can pick up these, there you go, 6 cents, and that is totally for free without visiting, without spending any UPX. You have to wait for your guy to come right down next to him before you can actually collect. There's another one on the left there. Let's see if we can collect this one too, and that is out of range. Even though we are quite close, it's actually not close enough. So what we'll have to do is go to a house next to it, and you'll be able to go log into the house, say send right here, and we'll go and visit this guy, confirm, and we paid 5 UPX, and we went to that house just next door, and then you'll be able to collect that send button right from there, and we won another 3 cents. So that is the paid way and the free way, all in the space of a couple of seconds. Make sure you don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the help and the info, and we'll go in and look into the house that we're going to go and buy downtown next to the train station. Let's go. What a deal. A house at 3,362. This is cheap, so we'll click on buy, and we'll go and buy that straight up, and we will put it back up for sale straight away. Just like on the other houses, fill out I'm not a robot, fill out the captcha. What is it going to ask us? Tractors 1, 2, and 3, and verify. And we will be ready to purchase our 4th house, guys. Minting on the blockchain, wait for that to go through. And we are official owners of a new house. This is amazing, guys. 1300 Murdoch Street, Bakersfield in California. Let's not waste any time right now and put this house straight up for sale. Very simple. Come in 5,750. We just paid 3,300 for it, and we are going to put that in offer for sale, and that is up for sale, guys. At this moment, we did not believe that we would sell this so quickly, but this happened. A few minutes later, our account jumped up, property was sold for 4,500 UPX. See you in the next video, guys. Keep up to date. And for all the newcomers, I left you the links in the descriptions box. Speak to you soon, Crypto Angel.